Modern businesses generate more data than they can actually use. Every sale, click, and customer interaction is logged, but getting a simple answer about those numbers remains a slow, manual process. Your store runs on Shopify, your transactions go through Stripe, your leads are in HubSpot, and everything else is buried in dozens of separate Google Sheets. This is the legacy BI bottleneck. Collected data stays locked behind complex models requiring a human analyst. You submit a ticket and wait for a query, watching the clock for days or weeks just to see a single chart. When business decisions move at the speed of an afternoon, a reporting process that moves at the speed of a calendar month creates a gap that your growth simply cannot sustain. Vedax Studio functions as a direct bypass to that bottleneck. It removes the technical middleman and connects you directly to your own insights. You securely link your existing tools, and within minutes, you see your disparate data sources snapping into place to form a cohesive dashboard. The system reads your data schema automatically. You don't have to spend hours on manual drag-and-drop building or chart configuration to get started. This is Vedax Buddy, an AI translator. A user types a question in plain English, instantly converting into a database query. Ask for your peak sales days, and Buddy identifies the trends, building the visualization to prove it. By making your database bilingual, Vedax gives any business owner the ability to function as their own data analyst. But there is a valid reason to be cautious. Generative AI is famous for hallucinating, inventing facts that look plausible but are completely wrong. In business intelligence, that is a disaster. Vedax uses a closed-loop architecture. It strictly translates your words to search your specific, isolated data vault, never the open internet. You can verify every answer because each chart includes the raw SQL code and cited sources. If your team relies on specific Excel or PDF formats, Vedax can automatically rebuild those reports using live data feeds, ensuring you don't change how you work. The result is a system that combines the frictionless communication of AI with the auditable math of a traditional database. Removing the reporting bottleneck changes how a team functions. Instead of spending their week building manual charts, analysts are freed up to focus on the actual strategy behind the numbers. This is built on the idea of data sovereignty. You should never be locked out of your own information or forced behind expensive paywalls just to see your own metrics. This is why the Community Edition is open source and free forever. You can self-host it on your own server using Docker in about 60 seconds. For teams that want the convenience of a managed cloud, there are tiers for the Google Sheets AI add-on and dedicated starter plans for growing companies. These tiers include enterprise-grade infrastructure with AES 256 encryption, secure single sign-on, and strict role-based access for every user. Deep business intelligence is no longer restricted to large corporations with massive data teams. If you know how to ask a question, you now have the power to understand your business.